Weird, guys, let's not make it weird. But Paramoto back at you with another video. Welcome to video 5? Video 5 right every day in November? And this motherfucker can't fucking drive and it just fucked me really bad. Thank you so much, sir. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck is your problem? What in the fuck? And now she's fucking taking off. What the fucking bitch? I'm just gonna stare this bitch down. This is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna stare at her. Let's just stare at her. She almost ran me over. Let's just stare at her. God damn, guys. God damn. So GoPros never do this shit justice, and I shouldn't even be doing this. I'm not getting pissed off. I'm not flicking her off. I'm not cussing her out or anything like that. But holy fuck, I looked in this mirror right here and saw a clear Chevy emblem out in the middle of fucking, like, what the fuck? Like, she was so close to me, it was crazy. Shake my head. Shake my head. Flick her off. Didn't get pissed off. Didn't yell at her. I look down and I see this Chevy fucking emblem, like, right in my rear view. Like, what the fuck, lady? You got so close to me for no fucking reason. I don't fucking get people, man. God damn, people are fucking crazy out here, man. Crazy. I almost got my ass ran over by some bitch just because she's in a hurry. I'm sure I'm gonna have some people flaming me. Oh, she wasn't even that close. So the thing about GoPro and the Super View is that it stretches everything wider, so you don't really get a great idea of distance and time while you're out here on the road with the GoPro Super View. You just don't. So she was super fucking close to me. She knew what she fucking did wrong too, because when I got up next to her and just stared at her with a blacked out fucking visor, she took off. She literally burned out and took off. So anyway, guys, I wanted to get back to the point of this fucking video, and that is we just had an election. I think it was kind of a wash. Like, if you were one party or the other, some people gained, some people lost. Democrats have control of the House, Republicans have control of the Senate, so it's kind of like a wash, I think, you know. And I just want to take you guys back to the day. Like, my dad was a working class man. Like, he is still working class. He's like almost 60 now. He's gonna be 60 in fucking December, still working his ass off every day. And he has and had a lot of good advice from me growing up. And one thing that I think we can all learn from my dad right now is that literally you don't talk about who you vote for. Honestly, I think this country will be a better place if we just kept our views to ourselves. Like, I don't care who you like as a presidential candidate. I don't care who you like as a party affiliate. Not everybody's gonna have the same ideas as you. And, you know, like, your party affiliation and, you know, your views, liberal or conservative, it's probably gonna have a lot to do with your life experiences and what you've seen. And, like, you're probably unconvincible when it comes down to your views and your life. Like, I go out in the street every day. I go out in the street and I deal with some of the worst people in our society on a daily, well, not daily basis, but on an every workday daily basis. And that shapes me as a person, and it shapes me in my views, and it shapes me in who I vote for based on the policies that I see as a problem. And the people that go out and they work a desk, or they work in more of a clerical or administration field, are going to have a way different political view than somebody like me. And that's fine. Different strokes for different folks. Different people make the world go around. The thing is, everybody's experience is going to be drastically different. You know, like a college student who's never really done anything besides go to school is going to have way different perspective of the world than an inner city school teacher. Like, the inner city school teacher is probably going to have a way different perspective on what are real problems and how to solve these problems as a college student And honestly, we all have different views, and when it comes to politics, at least, I think we need to put them aside. I think we need to put our political views aside and just let your voting do the talking. The only people that should know who you're voting for is maybe your close family, if you're close enough. Like me and my girl, like we've been together for almost 4 years, and we vary greatly on a lot of different political issues. And the reason why we vary greatly on a lot of different political issues is because we're totally different people with totally different life experiences. And honestly, it's a good thing. It's totally a good thing that we vary a little bit, because agreeing with everything that everybody has to say is boring as fuck. I've been through a bunch of presidential elections. I've been through Bush twice, Obama twice, Trump once, and I voted in all those elections, and I'm not going to tell you who I voted for, because half of you are probably going to disagree, and half of you are probably going to agree, and it's a super polarizing topic, and I don't care. I don't care, and I don't want to know who you guys voted for, because that's your business. Getting around to, I've been through, you know, what, 2, 4, 5 elections, 5 presidential elections, and what, then 5 midterm elections then. I voted in basically every one, but I'll be honest with you guys, I haven't seen in my personal life any actual change from any election that's ever took place ever. Some people think that voting, if you don't get your way, it is the end of the world, and that is not the case. It's so far from the truth. It's not the end of the world. Like, so, I mean, everybody's seen those liberal meltdown compilations when Trump got fucking elected. I'll be totally honest with you guys. I thought they were hilarious, but also eye-opening. Like, these people literally think that this is going to be the end of the world. You had to be very leftist and then be also emotionally unstable to have that reaction. You know, I've been part of elections where I didn't get my way, and you know what I did? I went on with my fucking life. And that's really what I implore people to do. Go on with your fucking life, dudes. Honestly, just fucking relax, and if you don't get your way, just go on with your life, because it doesn't matter. In the grand scheme of things, it doesn't matter, and it's really not worth getting worked up over. So guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I'm going to turn my music on and go run one more errand, and then I'm going to go home. Thank you for following me along in this video. I appreciate it so much. Go ahead, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got a ton of great content coming your way, including the first collab video ever for this channel coming up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.